What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, we're actually gonna go ahead and do a full review on the AWE touring exhaust. We're gonna get some revs in, and we're also gonna get some drive-bys, just so you guys can see how the car sounds as I'm driving by. And yeah, maybe some pops and bangs, but right now we're gonna go and we're gonna get to the spot, but we'll see you guys in a bit. All right. All right, guys, look what we got. We got in and out. We got the in and out protein stuff. Ooh, look how bomb that looks. Alrighty, guys, we're about to start the revs. About to go 3K, 5K, and maybe even red line. But I'm gonna show you guys actually just, a full review of the AWE, and hopefully you guys like it.